Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Gold Wunsu and today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. In today's video, I'm going to design a paperback cover for one of my clients. It's a simple cover, so I just thought let me record myself while I'm designing the cover. So I just hope this video is not going to be too long because I'm going to film myself while designing. Before I start designing, let me tell you what Skillshare is. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in anything you can think of. Just think of any skill: graphic design, video editing, videography, cinematography, digital painting, Photoshop manipulation, cartoon making. Just think of any skill at all. Skillshare has a class for that in their website. And the good thing is, because they are sponsoring today's video, you get to have 1 month free trial. So if you're new here, you're very welcome. If you're out there and you're thinking of where to learn a skill, Skillshare is the perfect place for you. Or if you want to upgrade your skill and learn new techniques or learn new things, Skillshare is the best place you should be. Quickly show you how the website looks and how to use the website. So this is the website. This is Skillshare's website. Once you are on the website, this is what you will see. This is the home page. The home page is very easy to navigate. So assuming you're looking for a particular skill, you want to take a class on a particular skill, you can come over to the browse, to this place that says browse, to this button. You can come here and then check for the category of what you're looking for, or you can come over to the search where it says what do you want to learn today. Click and then search for skills or any skill at all that you want to take. So assuming I want to learn something that has to do with website design, I'm looking for classes that talks about or teaches how to design a website. I'm just going to write website design in the search, website design, and then it will bring out different classes that teaches how to design a website. Now these are some of the classes that you can even narrow down your search. So you can go for classes that are for beginners or classes that are for advanced website designers. To do that, just come over to this place that says class level. If you're going for classes for beginners, check the option that says beginner. Once you check, it's going to bring out more classes that are for beginners. Another thing you can also do here is you can even narrow down the class duration. So if you want classes that are short, like maybe less than 15 minutes, you can come over to the class length section, this part here at the left hand side of the website, and then check the option that says less than 15 minutes. If you want classes that are between 15 minutes and 30 minutes long, you can check the second option, and then it's going to filter the search to classes that are within that length. So these are some of the classes that are for beginners that are within 15 to 30 minutes long. So this one says 5 free websites for creating irresistible graphic design images. Now if I want to take this class, what I need to do is just to click on the title of the class. It's going to open up the class. This is the class I just clicked on, 5 free websites for creating irresistible graphic design images. Once you're here, what you need to do is to click the play button here, or you can just click enter on your keyboard to take the class. I'm currently taking this class by Kimberly, Freelancing Best Tips for Success. Yeah, she talked about her experience being a freelancer for more than 35 years. Guys, there are really hot tips here that can make any freelancer succeed in their freelance journey. Check the lessons. It says hot tip 1, hot tip 2, hot tip 3, hot tip 4. I won't say what the hot tips are. If you want to learn what the tips are for you to succeed as a freelancer, make sure you take this class. This is one of the classes I recommend for freelancers. Yeah. For the first 1,000 people to use the link in my description box, get a 1 month free trial. So this is an opportunity for you to learn something new. With that said, guys, let me jump right into today's video. Now this is the ebook cover I designed already. I don't really know, I'm not sure I'm going to use this particular font. This is I think this is Times New Roman. Yeah, this is Times New Roman. So I'm not sure I'm going to use this font, but I just had to like make it Times New Roman, and I'm not using the name of the book, the actual name of the book, and the author's name, just because of some reasons. I don't want to make that public. So I'm just going to create the paperback cover in this video. Like I said, let's see how it goes. This is what I'm going to use to create my paperback cover. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this color. Guys, I'm just going to fix my eyes on my computer. So if you see me doing like this, you see me doing like this, see me doing like this, please do not complain. I'm trying to look at what I'm designing, right? So just follow along and make sure you like this video if you're getting value. Okay, so I'm just going to bring this color. Let me check what this color is.
Feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding. From the words I spit, so sharp, so freezing. So cold, behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Got a buildup of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. I guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings.
Alright guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you comment your favorite part of this video in the comment section. What do you think about this cover? Do you like the color combination? Do you like the style? Do you like how simple it is? Just let me know guys in the comment section. I'm going to see you guys in the next video. For now, bye bye.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your